The journey to fluent English. Priya was a young woman who lived in a small town called Ambala. She had always dreamed of speaking English fluently, but she had never had the chance to practice much. In school, Priya had learned the basics, grammar rules, vocabulary, and some simple sentences. But speaking confidently in English was still a challenge. Priya worked as a receptionist at a local hotel. Every day, she greeted guests, answered phone calls, and helped with reservations. Most of the guests spoke in Hindi, so Priya didn't get many opportunities to practice her English. However, she knew that speaking English well could open many doors for her: better job opportunities, more confidence, and the ability to communicate with people from different parts of the world. One day, while scrolling through her phone, Priya came across a video of a woman speaking fluent English. The woman shared tips on how to learn English, even if you didn't have anyone to practice with. Inspired by the video, Priya decided to take action. She was determined to improve her English no matter what. Priya started by setting a simple goal to practice English for at least 30 minutes every day. She knew that consistency was key to learning any new skill. The first thing she did was to find English learning videos online. She watched videos on how to pronounce words correctly, how to form sentences, and how to improve her vocabulary. She also listened to English songs and tried to sing along, paying attention to the lyrics and pronunciation. In the beginning, Priya felt nervous. Speaking English, even to herself, was uncomfortable. She often stumbled over words, made mistakes, and felt frustrated. But she reminded herself that making mistakes was part of the learning process. Instead of giving up, Priya pushed herself to keep going. One day, while practicing, Priya decided to try something new. She stood in front of the mirror and pretended she was talking to a guest at the hotel. She greeted the guest in English, asked how their stay was, and offered help with any questions they might have. At first, it felt silly, but soon Priya noticed that her confidence was growing. The more she practiced, the more natural it felt to speak in English. Priya also started to carry a small notebook with her. Whenever she heard a new word or phrase, she wrote it down. She made a habit of looking up the meaning of these words and practicing them in sentences. This helped her expand her vocabulary and feel more comfortable using different words in conversation. As Priya's confidence grew, she decided to take her learning to the next level. She signed up for an online English course where she could interact with other learners. The course included speaking exercises, writing assignments, and regular feedback from instructors. This was a big step for Priya, as she had always been shy about speaking English in front of others. But she knew that if she wanted to improve, she had to step out of her comfort zone. During the course, Priya made friends with learners from different countries. They practiced speaking English together, sharing stories about their lives and cultures. This not only improved Priya's speaking skills but also broadened her understanding of the world. She realized that English was more than just a language, it was a way to connect with people from different backgrounds. At work, Priya started using English whenever she could. She greeted guests in English, answered phone calls in English, and even tried to make small talk in English. At first, it was challenging. She sometimes struggled to find the right words or felt nervous about making mistakes. But each time she used English, she became more comfortable and confident. One day, The hotel manager noticed Priya's efforts. He was impressed by her dedication to learning English and her improved communication skills. He called Priya into his office and offered her a promotion. The new position required her to interact with international guests and help them with their needs. Priya was thrilled. This was the opportunity she had been waiting for, a chance to use her English skills every day and grow in her career. Priya accepted the promotion with gratitude. She knew that her journey to fluent English was far from over, but she was proud of how far she had come. She continued to practice daily, watch English videos, and interact with other learners. With each passing day, she became more fluent and confident in her English. Looking back, Priya realized that the key to her success was perseverance. Learning a new language wasn't easy, but by practicing consistently, stepping out of her comfort zone, and embracing her mistakes, she was able to achieve her goal. Priya's story was a reminder that anyone could learn English or any new skill as long as they were willing to put in the effort. Today, Priya is not only fluent in English but also inspires others to learn. She shares her journey with friends, colleagues, and even guests at the hotel, encouraging them to practice and improve their skills. Her story is a testament to the power of determination, hard work, and the belief that with persistence, anything is possible. Simple tips to improve your English. 1. Practice daily. Consistency is key. Set aside time each day to practice English, even if it's just 10 to 15 minutes. Whether it's reading, writing, speaking, or listening, daily practice will help you improve gradually. To read regularly, reading books, articles, or even social media posts in English can help you expand your vocabulary and understand sentence structure. Start with simple texts and gradually move on to more complex ones. 3. Watch and listen. Watch English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos, and listen to podcasts or songs in English. This will help you get used to the rhythm and pronunciation of the language. Try to mimic the speech to improve your own pronunciation. 4. Speak as much as possible. Don't be afraid to speak English, even if you make mistakes. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Practice with friends, join language exchange groups, or talk to yourself in English. 5. Use a dictionary. Whenever you encounter a new word, look it up in an English dictionary. This will help you understand its meaning, pronunciation, and usage. Make a habit of writing down new words and using them in sentences. 6. Learn from mistakes. Making mistakes is a natural part of learning. Don't be discouraged. Instead, learn from them and try to correct them in the future. The more you practice, the fewer mistakes you'll make. 7. Set realistic goals. Set specific, achievable goals for your English learning. Whether it's mastering a certain number of new words each week or holding a short conversation in English, having goals will keep you motivated. 8. Practice writing. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and improve your grammar. Start by writing short paragraphs or diary entries in English. As you become more comfortable, challenge yourself to write longer texts. 9. Join online communities, participate in online forums, language exchange websites, or social media groups where people discuss topics in English.